Hey beauties, it's Nikea here in my messy room. I'm off from work today. I've been meaning to record this video because I needed to clean my room anyway. So I wanted to spring clean and get rid of clothes and anything that I didn't need because we are actually moving and downsizing. But anywho, I just want to show you all how I'm going to organize and clean my closet and get rid of some things. But to do that, first I have to clean my room because my side is a little bit messy and I have to finish laundry first. So I'm going to speed through me cleaning my room and show you all how I'm going to organize my closet and declutter and get rid of some things. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. We are getting so close to 500 and so close to me doing that giveaway. So just join the club. You're already here watching my video. So right below, click that button. So my process of cleaning, I got this from my dad. What I do is I take everything off of the floor and put it on the bed. Okay, so y'all just saw the mess that was on the floor. This is the mess that's on the bed. So when I had carpet, I would vacuum at this point, but we have hardwood floors. So I am going to put away everything that is on the bed, then pick up everything off of the floor. Then I can organize my nightstand. As you can see, it's just an amalgamation of my books, some toiletry products, my water cup. Yeah, it just needs to be organized and cleared off. And then I will organize my dresser, which is another amalgamation of things. It's not as bad, but it needs to be straightened out. And then I'll get to the actual part y'all want to see, where I organize my dresser drawers and my closet. I'm gonna save all my clothes for the organizing part of this video. I just wanted to pause real quick. So you see me folding up some clothes, and then if you all saw my Ross mini haul, you know I have some stuff in here. So I'm just kind of saving all my clothes and stuff until I get to that organizing part. Alright, finally got everything off the floor. Now I can organize my dresser, which is still semi-organized from the last time I did it. But you know, some random stuff is just up here. So now I can clean off all this and move some stuff over to my dresser. Now I have a little more organized. I still have a little pile of things on my bed, as I always do, but I want to go ahead and get to the organizing of my clothes. So I'm going to start with my dresser drawers, and I'm just going to pull them out one by one and go through them and see if there's anything I need to get rid of. All right, so my first drawer is organized by underwear, bras, and little thinglet tops. My second drawer is shirts. It was organized, but as you can see, it's not. This drawer is bottoms, so shorts, skirts, pants. This drawer is outfits and dresses that I don't hang up, and some of my workout clothes. And this is all socks, some swimsuits, stockings, or tights and stuff. Like I said, I'm just gonna pour these drawers out one by one and see if there's anything I can get rid of to edit my wardrobe. And I'm gonna do my best to refold and reorganize. I used to organize my underwear drawer by types of underwear, but I don't have time for that. Ooh, and I'm gonna put my new bra in here. So if you watch my Ross haul video, I got a new bra that's not a nursing bra. And then I'll put my scarves right here. So this drawer is nicely organized. Look at that. I just roll everything because I haven't learned that Marie Kondo method to folding. So I try to keep in here tops that I would wear on a regular basis. So I probably need to organize this drawer by type, like long sleeve, short sleeve, tank top, crop tops. So my top drawer is now all organized. Now time for bottoms. These are my more career type pants, stuff I would wear to work. So I have some more casual type pants that I'm gonna put in here. So I'm gonna put the skirts and dresses in here together. This drawer is organized. This drawer had matching outfits, workout clothes. All right, so this drawer is going to stay workout clothes, casual lounge wear type stuff. Oh, my booty look good. Ew, 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 ew. And I think I'll put some matching. I only have like 2 matching outfits, so I'll put those in here as well. All right, this drawer is organized. Yay! Checking to see if I had any clothes fall down. All right, last drawer. This isn't too bad. Oh, I can still keep this. Okay. Okay, honeymoon. Yum. Yum. Okay. All right, this bottom drawer is for socks, pantyhose, tights, and swimsuits. I used to organize my socks and match them, but I don't do that anymore. Woo! This drawer is organized. Yay! I'm going to organize my closet. So I actually have to share some of Harper's closet space in her room. So this closet door always falls off. I don't know, it just always comes off track. Maybe it's old or something. So I think the best thing for me to do is to first go through and see what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. Oh, I have a bag of stuff right here that no longer brings me joy. Oh no, I need to keep this. See, I was looking for this. See it? Okay. Not so much joy. I need to get new ones. These are dingy. One of them I can't get rid of because it's my probate shirt. We'll put that in the maybe pile. These are joyful. Ooh. Nah, not so much joy. Joy, joy. No joy. And I haven't worn it in a while. This I don't know about. Maybe. I don't know. Woo! Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Oh! Jesus. Sliding on close. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I had to take a break because my camera batteries were all dead and I needed to eat. I've been doing this all morning. So, yeah. Y'all are getting the abbreviated version. And I even went to Harper's room and got out the stuff that I keep in there. But first I want to focus on the closet in my room. So first I'm going to go through all of my tops that I hang up, and I have some from my drawers that I'm going to hang up, and that's how I'm going to organize my closet with my shirts, my sweaters and sweatshirts. Then I will do my dresses and one-piece type outfits. All right, so in my closet I have these velvet hangers. Ow. I've had these for a while. They're slimmer and just fit nicely in your closet, and stuff doesn't slide off the shoulder. So I'm gonna hang up my nicer, dressier shirts. Some of them are in the drawer. I feel like I don't have a lot of clothes that I want to get rid of because I've done that already. So I don't know. And I don't want to get rid of any of my professional wear because I don't have a professional type job right now. But I do plan on getting one. Okay, I think I'm going to go back to color coordinating like I used to in my closet. So I organized it by types of clothes, and then I'm going to do it by color. And I go light to dark. Alright, now I'm putting my sweatshirts in. I love sweatshirts. I have lots of them. Onto this side of the closet. I think I'm going to do my casual attire next, like my jumpers and rompers and stuff, and casual dresses. All right, these are all my casual attire: dresses, jumpers, rompers, things I wouldn't necessarily wear in a professional setting, but you know, if I'm going out. And now I'm going to get my professional dresses. If you all can't tell, I like florals and prints. And now onto my formal wear. I do have a few formal outfits. This dress is super formal. I wore it in a pageant. It's a little bit, it's heavier than the other dresses, so I'm going to actually use one of those plastic hangers that I said I was going to get rid of. So I found a dress that doesn't bring me joy anymore. I put it on one time and I was like, ew. But I was like, I can't give it up, it's cute, but I don't like the way it fits. It no longer brings me joy. It's going into the no joy pile. So I'm just spreading things out so it's not so heavily weighted on one side. Whew. Okay, this closet is done for now. Whew. Okay, everything is organized. Now I'm gonna go hang these up in Harper's room. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm sick of this church. This is a scarf and belt organizer. I think I got this from Ross a few years ago. He's going in Harper's room as well. Hey y'all, this is the last thing that I'm gonna show you. Oh man, this has been a long task. Cause I wasn't planning on cleaning, I was just planning on organizing, but then I wound up cleaning. This tub I keep under my bed. It has pajamas and t-shirts in it. My family has themed pajamas every Christmas, so I have those, but I keep them because they keep me warm. I'm gonna put this under my bed. All right, y'all, my room is clean. My closet and dresser are organized. I hope this inspires somebody. So I wanted to do this. One, I needed to clean my room. Two, we plan on moving out of this house and downsizing. So I wanted to see what I could get rid of and edit my wardrobe and closet, which wasn't a lot. So I'll probably be living out of suitcases wherever we move. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope this was one of those videos where it was like just good to watch. I hope it wasn't too tragic. It took me forever. It's 3:39. I've been cleaning since like 11 o'clock or before then. But I did stop and take a break. Anywho, again, thank you so much for watching, beauties. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.